ITWeb's 13th Security Summit was held in Johannesburg at Vodacom World, with 4 half-day workshops, a full-day boot camp, and over 70 speakers across 8 tracks. The event covered every aspect of information security, enabling delegates to respond effectively and protect what matters most. The ITWeb Security Summit 2018. Information security isn't just an IT issue anymore, it's everyone's business.
Cisco has made major acquisitions in the security space. We are proud to be part of the ITWeb Security Summit. We're going to showcase the full breadth of technology. We're going to showcase how security is embedded inside the digital network architecture. We have 7 business units that are on display today. We have subject matter experts that flew down in country. You don't have to be a security expert because security involves everybody.
We're excited to be involved in this event, and I'm glad to see such a good turnout of people. I think it's been really insightful to run a local survey on the security in the South African context, and so we can see the differences and the commonalities we have with the international markets. One of the really interesting outcomes was that we found that the shift has been from the outside to the inside. So we're seeing a far greater focus on moving security to around the applications and into the data center rather than perimeter-based security.
The ITWeb Security Summit is one of the pinnacle events for cybersecurity in South Africa and Southern Africa, and we've got a lot of vendors coming through and supporting, a lot of resellers coming through and supporting. And the key aspects for us are engagement with our customers from C-level all the way down to an engineering base. We see good return on our investment, not only because of the brand awareness, but also because of that engagement and understanding what else is out in the market for them to solve their business solutions.
What really impressed me this year is the diversity in the conversation, the diversity in the subject matters being discussed by the various different speakers. So overall, a very good impression. I see the right customer faces, I see the right level of decision makers on the floor, and good to catch up with the guys, good to catch up with the industry.
Today at the ITWeb Security Summit in 2018 in Johannesburg. From our perspective, Malwarebytes, so we're very happy to attend it this year, and really good customer interactions, really interesting peer-to-peer conversations actually that are happening.
This gives us a great opportunity to network with our partners and some of our customers. We're also very excited about the lineup of speakers that we have this year at the Security Summit. Previn Pillai, our MD, is part of the ITWeb Summit security lineup. We're looking forward to seeing him on stage.
As an international vendor, we provide solutions to help reduce the gap between the line of defense and threats. And ITWeb as an organization is allowing us to share this knowledge with participants, giving us that platform for people to be all united as one.
This is my first time in South Africa, and it's definitely a quite uniquely sort of African take on cybersecurity and the event in itself, so I think that's really interesting. Obviously we are a workshop sponsor, and from my perspective it was a great success. The people who came along were really interested, they were really curious about what it was, and they were curious to see how that program, which has been rolled out across the globe, is going to impact South African regulation and your approach to cybersecurity.
So there are a couple of things that keep IT professionals up at night, security being top of their list.
So for us, from cyber region perspective, our primary goal is really more market awareness of cybersecurity in general. Events like this go a long way to sharing information that can have lasting positive impact on the safety and surety of both organisations that participate and their customers, and by extension, the public at large.
Business is changing so quickly that it's so difficult for security professionals to keep up with the business objectives. Everybody's talking about disruption, and this is our opportunity to take a little bit of time out of operations and talk about these issues and see where security can help a business today.
It's our 4th year as a sponsor of this event, and once again we're here to educate customers about the importance of identity to their security program. So very pleased to be part of the event, bigger and better this year.